I always wanted a fast low light lens, and everything for the E-mount seems to be very expensive and very bulky. I wanted to go and get one for a photo shoot that I was having in Toronto. I was really not confident using an f4 in very low ambient light. Was looking around trying to shop for something that was not too expensive and I can get it right away, and to my surprise I saw the 28mm used for less than 350 bucks. It was a no-brainer for me. I got it. My angle going into this photo shoot, that I was gonna use my main range, which was the 55mm 1.8, and I was gonna use that like 80% of the time and then switch to the 28mm just to test it out and do some shots and a little bit of video. And to my surprise, I ended up shooting like 60% with the 28mm and switched up to closer shots with the 55. And I fell in love with that focal length. What really drew me to this lens was the size and the finish. It didn't feel like it was cheap, and it wasn't so bulky, so I felt very stealthy going in, knowing that I'm not going to draw a lot of attention to myself, and it just worked. Autofocus worked better than I expected. So after the shoot, I decided to go and take it to my trip to Asia, and I couldn't find for a better place than Hong Kong. So this lens is 200 grams without the hood, weather sealed and dust proof. So it kind of gave me this confidence that I can just take it out any time of day, and even if it was a little bit wet, I can just take and snap some good pictures. So knowing that, it kind of gave me this confidence boost to go out and take riskier pictures than I normally would, and I think it was completely worth it. It made me come out of my comfort zone and just be a little bold with some of my pictures, and I think it made me appreciate what it was made for. It's not made for a glamorous photo shoot, so it's kind of made for a run and gun setup, especially if you're in a foreign country and you don't want to draw attention to yourself. Other than the price range and the size, the autofocus is fantastic, and it is very quiet actually. Sony did a great job producing this lens. I think the Sony 28mm is a fantastic buy, even for today's standards. Sony is making a statement with this lens to produce something that's very cheap and it has a quality that just blows you away. It's something to be commended for. If you're looking to get a low light wide angle lens, it's hard to go wrong with something this cheap and that can produce amazing images. I for one can't wait to go out and shoot again at night, and I'll see you on the next video.